If you have been looking for how to trade step index successfully for a very long time, then I'll advise you to watch this video to the end, because in today's video we will be looking at how to trade step index on higher time frame. Okay, we'll be using higher time frame to do our analysis and see how we can crush the market successfully. Okay, if you missed my last video, I will advise you to go back to it and watch it on the channel. This is it. Okay, it helps you to know how to trade step index successfully, but I did most of the analysis on lower time frame, so this is very important. Go there and watch it. That is the part 1 of what you'll be getting in today's video. Okay, so but first, before going fully into today's video, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially in the forex niche. Okay, if you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips. Make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. This is very vital and important. Okay, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen. Probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you like to know more about my trading tools. Feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video. Okay, quickly, let's go straight into what we have for today. But before doing that, let's quickly do some market analysis to see what is happening in the market. The first one I will be looking at is Boom 1000, and I'm using the signal indicator. Presently, the signal indicator shows that the market Boom 1000 is on downtrend. As you can see, we got the yellow line from here, and it's been going down for a very long time. Even if you didn't get the signal from the beginning, you can even come in here and see it's still going down. Most of these support level have been broken. That is 30 minutes candle already. Of course, we got the sell signal from here. If you had started from here, that would have given you 40 minutes candles already. So this is amazing. It is at the it is already on downtrend. So if you are the type that is trading spikes, wait for it to get to the major support level. The last support level have just been broken, approaching the next one already. Okay, so let's check what is happening with crash 1000 using the signal indicator. At the moment, crash 1000 is going back on uptrend after surviving this downtrend syndrome. Okay, it is going back on uptrend. Okay, as you can see, went up a bit from here to this level and crashed down, and still you can see this is a support level. As you can see, this is a support level, so crashed down, got a buy signal, but got confirmed there. Even after the confirmation, it has given us 12 minutes candles. Okay, so let's check out what is happening with Boom 500 using the QDC scraper indicator. Okay, at the moment, Boom 500 is on downtrend. It's been on a very long downtrend starting from here. That is why I said when you use the QDC scraper indicator, you will know the beginning of the trend, and if you can target then you can be in the market for a very long time, especially if you are having enough trading capital. You can see it keeps on going down, and in between there are little spikes happening in between, but they are not strong enough for it to take it back, to take your price back, the price back to the entry point. Of course, the trend is ending right now. You can see the uptrend arrow is already out, which means you should be getting ready for the spikes. Okay, so let's check out what is happening with crash 500 using the NT indicator. Crash 500 ended the downtrend journey here, and it started an uptrend. Okay, consolidating at the moment, but it is possible for it to go back on uptrend if it breaks this resistance level. Okay, it will go back on uptrend, then we should see it getting to this level first, and if it breaks this also, of course there might be a little reversal around here, but if it eventually pull back and break it, then we should experience a full reversal when it gets to this resistance level. So make sure you do your analysis very well before you jump into the trade. Okay, remember this is 1 hour time frame, so you can always swing trade along with it. Okay, so I'll be stopping here with my analysis, going back to what we really have for today. Remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. I'll be dropping all this in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now and turn on the notification bell beside it. Okay, what we have today is actually on step index, how to trade step index on higher time frame. Okay, after my last video which I posted on my channel on step index, I got so many positive response. People scalp trading it gradually using the strategies shared there. So if you miss it, you can go back there and watch it. But people were now like, okay, I'm having enough capital and now I want to trade for long. I don't want to stay glued to the system for a very long time. So how can I go about it? So I promised them to release a video today on how to trade on higher time frame. So that is what we will be getting today. So I will be sharing with you step by step on how to go about it. So without wasting time, let's head on to the trading platform so that we see how we can achieve this successfully. This is our step index, so I'm just going to load our indicator on it. So let me just load it on it. Okay, wow, so this is it. Like I said in my last video, I told you that on 1 minute time frame we're not allowed to see the QDC scraper indicator. I don't know, but I believe it's because step index have a steady movement compared to volatility 75. Probably that is why it was not showing, or they didn't allow it to show. But let me give you this is a tip which I'll be giving to you. If you take it to 4-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame will show the QDC scraper trend scraper. Okay, it's going to show the QDC trend scraper, which is the last indicator settings here. So 4-hour time frame will always show it, so you can use that to do your analysis, and that is what led to we trading for a very long time on higher time frame. Okay, so this is how it works. This is is 4-hour time frame. Once the market is on downtrend, as you can see right here, we got our downtrend arrow. Okay, once the market is on downtrend, I'm going to teach you a few strategies which you can use. You can come in and place your sell order here. You can see once these are still showing red, it will keep selling, and it can sell for a very long time. You can see it can sell for a very long time. So you can close your trade once you have seen the exit arrow for the sell market. Okay, the exit arrow for the sell market is the buy arrow. Okay, so that is 7 candles, which means you could be in the market for 7 hours. So each time you are seeing the sell signal popping up, it is an opportunity for you to sell, because at that particular time the market is on downtrend, so you can sell at that particular time. So each time you are seeing that, you can always come in conveniently and sell for a while. Each time you are seeing that, you can always come in conveniently and sell for a while. Then another way to go about it, that is the first way. Another way to go about it is, since it is on sell trend, then you can come in. This is actually for those that have enough trading capital. You can come in and place your sell here. Check it out. Then when do you close it? You close it when the trend change. When there is a change in the trend. Okay, this is where the change comes in, so you close your trade here. You can see that. Can you see what I'm saying? So this means you can be in the market for a very long time. It can even go for days, okay, before you achieve that. It can go for days before you achieve that, because this trade actually is more than a day. Okay, it started from here and went down and down and down and down till this level. Okay, so you can also do this. This is for those that want to swing trade. Okay, so you close your sell trade here and you start your buy trade there. So you can see for your buy trade, once you see your buy arrow popping out, you can come in, because it is on a buy trend. You can come in and trade till you get your exit arrow, which is your sell arrow, then you close your trade. So each time you see your buy arrow, you come in again and you close here, you come in again and you close here, you come in again and you close here again. Then the other way to go about it is for those that are having enough trading capital. You can come in here and buy and still continue buying till the end of the trend. The trend is still on. We are yet to see the drop down arrow for the trend. So once we see it, then we should know that we should exit the market. But if we had come in from this side, the beginning of the trend, then you can always be in the market till this level. Okay, what if you miss the beginning of the trend? Of course, if you miss the beginning of the trend, then you need to go the other way around, which is you coming in with the signal that supports the trend. Okay, you can see we got a buy signal here, and the trend is on uptrend. So definitely they are in support of each other. You can come in and buy till this end. Okay, come in and buy till this end. You can also come in once there is a breakout from this candle, 4MA candles indicator. Okay, as you can see, it is already broken out already, and we got our buy signal here. So you can come in and buy there and close here. So as you can see, this is 4-hour time frame. Each of these candles are 4 hours. Okay, so if I'm getting 11 candles from here, that is 44 hours, which is amazing. It is even more than a day. So that is how it goes. So you can use this to milk the market successfully and close your trade whenever you please. I mean, you are cool with a profit. Okay, so that is how it goes. That is how it goes. So I want you to have this set up on your system. Take it to 4 hours time frame to see what I'm having here, and do your analysis. Have it on your demo account. I will always advise you to practice with your demo account first before you try it out on your real account. Okay, so have it on your demo account, practice with it, see how far you can go. Then you can come up with your question. If you have any, send your message to me on WhatsApp, and I will reply you as soon as possible. This is more than just an online training. Okay, you can always contact me personally. If I'm not replying you immediately, that is because I am yet to get to your message. But if it is something that is very urgent, you can just give me a WhatsApp flash, then I will know that your message is very urgent. I will come down there and reply your message immediately, but only for those that are sending an urgent message. Okay, so that everybody won't just be flashing and flashing. That will also delay the way I respond to some of your messages. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so that is how it goes. So feel free to contact me, and I will reply you as soon as possible. Okay, this is part of my mentoring program. You pass through the training online, you practice whatever I teach you, then you ask your question, and then I will reply you as soon as possible, just to make sure you are successful at the end of the day. Okay, I will be stopping here for now. Remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. So watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.